Jai Hind everyone. I am Anushka Tripathi and I'm the host of today's episode of Sanvad. I would warmly like to welcome our esteemed guest CA Subhita Poddar, an alumni of Calcutta University and a founder of Ace Beyond You. Having been based in Germany for more than 8 years now, she helps students to find affordable top ranked universities in Europe. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Guten Tag and Jai Hind to you.
Guten Tag.
We are very excited to have you here with us.
The pleasure is equally mine.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, my first question to you is how did you get exposed to the opportunities and career prospects outside India? What was your experience?
So, like 8 years before, I shifted to Germany. I started working in Germany, and I gradually realized that education in Germany is absolutely free. Not only in Germany, but all the countries connected to Germany, like, for example, Switzerland, Austria, Luxembourg, all of these countries have free education. And I was quite impressed by the fact that not only the universities are free, but also they are ranked in as per the QS World Ranking. So if you see the best universities, for example, ETH Zurich, which is ranked 7th in the world, and also Albert Einstein has studied in these universities. TUM Munich, it is ranked 22 all over the world. This is based in Munich. So these universities are completely free, and also as per the, as I said, the quality of education is quite high. So I was quite motivated by it. Secondly, what I observed that a lot of students don't apply for these universities as the awareness is not there. These universities don't pay commissions or they don't advertise much, all right, because they don't charge anything to the students. So, I just felt that there was a huge gap. A lot of students can apply to these universities, and also the acceptance ratio is quite high. For example, if student applies to IIM, the student would have to prepare for a year of CAT exams, right? And even if you get as good as 99 percentile, the chances are very less to get a seat in IIMs. Whereas these universities having much more, ranking, higher ranking than IIMs or IITs, they have higher acceptance rate. It's only because of the lack of awareness that the students don't apply to such great universities. So, I really want students, I really want to motivate students, like, try to these world universities, you'll actually be way ahead in your career.
That was really inspiring, ma'am. One more question that I would like to ask you, ma'am. What challenges an aspirant can expect to face in their pursuit for career in abroad?
See, for example, like when you talk about countries like Germany, Switzerland, Austria, Luxembourg, like these good countries, one of the challenge what I see is the German language. All right, I'm not saying that without German language you cannot survive in the countries or you would be facing a lot of difficulties. But as like once you know the local language, you can integrate better. You feel at place, you feel comfortable with that country. All right. Again, having said that, there are huge courses which are conducted in English language. Like for masters, there are plenty of courses across all the fields in English language, right? So the language barrier is not for studies. It is just that you feel comfortable with the language. For example, if I go to Bangalore, if I know Kannada, it makes life easy, right? Like if someone comes to India and knows Hindi, life would be easy, right? But having said that, a lot of us do know English. We are communicating in English. So it's not that Hindi is mandatory, but yeah, knowing it, it helps you better. You can connect better. So language is one thing I would say that could be a little bit of a challenge. But having said that, see, it's not that difficult to learn the language because, in English we have ABCD, we have the same alphabets in German language. So, once you have the same alphabet, it does not take a lot of time to understand the language or to learn the language. So that should not be a hindrance to not apply to these great universities. Even if you work hard for 3 to 6 months, you can easily crack the language. Like I myself, I'm a chartered accountant, right? And I shifted to Germany 8 years before, and I've done my C1 level of German language, which is an expert level of German language. And there are many others like me, who do the language, and it's not that difficult at all. So yes, language is one thing I think it makes life easy.
Biggest challenge for.
I mean, I would not say it as a challenge. Yeah, it just it's a skill. You can just say if you add the skill, it makes life easy.
Yes, ma'am. Also, ma'am, while I was going through your portfolio, what caught my attention was the aspect of working while studying.
Yeah.
Could you elaborate a bit on this?
So that's a very good question. I mean, I'm telling you, like, this is something which sets you apart. For example, if you are doing your bachelor's or master's in India, you are totally focused on the theory part. Whereas in Western countries, like whereas in Germany, in Switzerland, in like in Netherlands and France, the culture is that you work and you study, like very good companies, like almost all the companies, like be it Audi, BMW, SAP, Volkswagen is there, Mercedes, a lot of these companies, they have a lot of options, job options for students. You just open any website, you will find hundreds and hundreds of jobs for students. And these students don't only get internship, they also start earning. They are earning around 1.5 lakhs per month, while doing these internships. And these internships, you just have to work 15 to 20 hours per week. This has been stipulated by the government, all right, so that the student has enough time for their own studies. So basically, this is the normal trend. Like students in Europe, they get independent from the age of 18. They do not wait for their education to get over to be independent. And I'm telling you, at the end of these 4 years, you don't start your career as a fresher. You already have 4 years of internship. So that is a very big advantage, to all, like for all these students who go and study in countries like Germany, Switzerland.
Yes, ma'am. Also, ma'am, whenever we talk about going to abroad, the first thing that crosses everyone's mind is the cost, expenses. You have mentioned tuition free and low cost universities. How does that work?
See, I know, like, because in India we do not have that facility, so we find it astonishing that how could education be free. But like countries like these countries, they operate that ways. I mean, education is a basic right and it is free in these countries, and that to quality education, right? So firstly, your education is free. Secondly, when you go as a student visa, when you take a student visa and fly to these countries, as I mentioned, that you can start working, right? And per, like you earn around 1 to 1.5 lakhs rupees per month, right? Which is good enough, to take care of your expenses. Secondly, I would say that there are a lot of scholarships, all right? So if you are a bright student, right, you can apply to these scholarships. And as I've already mentioned, that aren't any tuition fees. So these scholarships, they give you stipends, to take care of your day-to-day expenses. So like, there is a scholarship, DAD scholarship. If you apply to it, then maybe you get around 400 euro per month. And there are various other scholarships, also universities specified scholarships. So firstly, scholarships are there. Secondly, the education is free. Thirdly, you get a lot of internships. So it is in our mindset that studying abroad is expensive, but that could be for countries like US, Singapore, London, UK, because the universities are really expensive. Whereas if you talk about countries like Germany, Switzerland, these countries are not expensive for education purpose.
Okay, ma'am. This will be very helpful for everyone. At last, ma'am, what advice would you like to give to everyone who is listening to Sanvad?
See, I would really request everyone to at least give it a try, See, you would, as it is, pursue your education. So why not pursue your education at the right place, Because look, think about the impact. Do you want to struggle, like once you finish with your education, do you still want to struggle for a job? Do you want to still struggle? Oh, I cannot, I'm getting a job for what, 3 lakhs or 4 lakhs rupees? Or would you want to really, be stable enough? Once you've worked hard, then you want to enjoy that place. And you want to earn good money. You want to have a good life. You're done with the struggle part, right? So why not put in efforts at the right place? I really want to motivate students, and don't have this conception, or I'm a girl, maybe it's not secured. I'm telling you, look at the crime rate. Germany, Switzerland, these countries have very, very, very low crime rates. So it's actually a very safe place for girls. I'm a girl. I come from a Marwadi family. So you see, it's a very safe place for students. And don't, take right steps. If you take the right steps today, only then you can, achieve something good in the future. If you take wrong decisions and you study at the wrong place, you would keep struggling. Again, after once you finish your education, you are still struggling to get a job, struggling to get a promotions. Whereas you do things at the right place, be aware of all the opportunities you have, the potential you have, and take the right call for your life.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us today and teaching all the students that going abroad is also such a nice thing for everyone. And thank you so much, ma'am. And once again, guten Tag to you.
Thank you so much. The pleasure is all mine. If I could really motivate even a single girl from Sunbeam College to go and study in these universities, I mean, I would be more than happy. I think what the purpose I came here today, that purpose would be solved. Like really looking forward to some girls stepping ahead and applying to these universities.
Ma'am, thank you for your valuable guidance to each and every students.
My
Wishing
pleasure.
all the aspirants to dream big and go to border outside the country and apply for greater opportunities. Thank you, ma'am.